Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Math, grade 6. We are in chapter 10, lesson 2. Today we want to continue our lesson yesterday, volume of triangular prism. Volume of triangular prism. Watch with me this video.
Volkswagen.
السلام عليكم مستر هاني، أنا محمد سعيد.
Stay tuned.
Hi, so this video we're going to work out the volume of a triangular prism. If you have a look at mathswrap.co.uk, there's a few questions on this particular type of problem. It's relatively straightforward, and if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, there is a playlist for volumes and density of regular prisms. And also, if you visit mathswrap.co.uk, there's quite an explanation on there as well. So this particular question is around about grade C at GCSE. It's usually worth something like 3 or 4 marks. It should be fairly straightforward because what we're looking to do is calculate an area and then look at multiplying that area by the length of the prism, and that will give us the overall volume. Okay, so with this one, we've got a triangle. Okay, and the triangle itself is 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters, and then the prism itself, or the overall prism, is 7 centimeters long. So I'm just going to try and draw that up on the board. There you go. Okay, and hopefully you can see that okay, that it is. That's not too bad, is it? That's a triangular prism. Okay. So what we're going to do with this triangular prism is, firstly, we're going to work out the area of the triangle at the side, and then we're going to multiply it by the overall length. Okay, so the first thing is that if we look at the area of the triangle first, now this is 3 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters. Okay, if you have a look at the website, you'll be able to see how we calculate the area of triangles. It's fairly straightforward because what we're looking to do is to half its equivalent rectangle. Okay, so what I mean by that is that you've got, well, any triangle really, and providing you know the overall height and the overall width, effectively what we do then is put it into a rectangle and then divide it by 2. Now sometimes you'll see these formulas and it'll say something like a half width times height, and that's exactly true because width times height is the overall area of the rectangle, and then we multiply it by a half and we get the area of the triangle. Okay, so what we've got here is, if I just write to the side here, so I'm going to put area of triangle equals a half width, which is 3 centimeters, multiplied by the height, which is 4 centimeters. Now, just a couple of things, just actually while I think about it, is that you need to make sure these are all the same units. Occasionally on these questions you might get something like 70 millimeters or 0.7 of a meter or something like that, so 0.07 of a meter. So sometimes you need to convert, make sure you convert them through to exactly the same unit. Also with the area of the triangle, if you multiply a half times width times height, that's fine. You could write it as 3 times 4 divided by 2. That means exactly the same. So what we're going to do here is say 3 times 4, which is 12. And 12 multiplied by half is 6, or 12 divided by 2 is also 6. So the area of the triangle is 6 centimetres squared. Okay. And it is important to make sure that as you're working through these, that you quote the units each time. Okay. So the area of this piece here is 6 centimetres squared. And in order to calculate the volume, so if I put volume of prism, okay, it's actually a triangular prism. It's a bit like a Toblerone bar. If you're in the UK, we have Toblerone, which is a chocolate bar. But it's the area of the triangle, which is 6 centimetres squared, multiplied by the overall length, which is 7 centimetres. Okay, so the volume of the prism is 6 times 7, which is 42. And then it's centimetres squared times centimetres, which is centimetres cubed. And that would answer the question, and that would give you 4 marks at GCSE. I hope that's been useful for you. Please do visit mathswrap.co.uk, and there are downloadable worksheets. You can also post, pin, tweet. Do add a comment below, and I will get back to you, and I look forward to seeing you inside the next video.
So today we want to revise how to find the volume of triangular prism. As you see here in this figure, we have triangular prism. How to know is it triangular or rectangular? Look to the base. Look to the base. If the base triangle means we have triangular prisms. Now we have some samples. I want from all to know what's the meaning of these samples. As you see here, the base we have a triangle. P in capital letter means the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle. This side, the base of the triangle. The base of the triangle. And this side, the height of the triangle. So as you know, the area of the triangle, P capital letter or big B, equal 1 over 2 multiplied by the base of triangle multiplied by the height of triangle. Then we have here H in capital letter, here the height of the triangular prism, the perpendicular distance between the two pieces. So we have difference between this height and this height. We have height inside the triangle, and we have height of the triangular prism. So must to separate between this H and this H. Now see this video.
This is Mrs. Dawson. Find the volume of prisms. Find the volume of the triangular prism. The formula to find the volume of any prism is volume equals big B times H. Big B stands for the area of the base of the prism. The base of this prism is a triangle. And the formula to find the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. Don't allow yourself to be confused with both of these H's. We'll make this one a capital H to stand for the height of the prism. So the volume is 1/2 times the base of the triangle, which is 5, times the height of the triangle, which is 6, multiplied by the height of the prism, which is the distance between the two bases, in this case, 8. When we simplify, we have 1/2 times 5 times 6, which is 15, and then multiplied by 8. So the volume is 120. Because we have a height of yards and a height of the triangle in yards and a base of the triangle in yards, our units will be cubic yards. The volume of this particular triangular prism is 120 cubic yards.
Hello, Mr. I'm Salma Dafil Manari, grade 6A.
This is Mrs. Pena. We're going to find the volume of a triangular prism. Find the volume of the triangular prism shown. I have a triangular prism, and the reason why it is a triangular prism is because the bases, or the two parallel sides, are both triangles. This front side and the back side are triangles. Those are your bases. Formula for volume
Hello, Mr. I'm
of a
Salma
prism
Dafil Manari, grade 6A.
is volume equals capital B times H.
Hello, Mr. I'm Salma Dafil
Capital
Manari, grade
B
6A.
represents the area of the base,
Hello, Mr. I'm Salma Dafil
and
Manari, grade
H
6A.
represents the height, not of the base, but of the prism. To redraw this with the bases
Hello, Mr. I'm
on the
Salma Dafil
bottom,
Manari,
how we
6A.
normally the sides, and the one behind it is dashed. This is my right angle. This is my right angle. So this smaller side will be 6. This side here, which is perpendicular to 6 from the figure, is 10. And the length of this side is now the height of the prism, which is 16. Now, this will be represented by H. That's the height of the prism. The capital B, to find the area of the base, the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now, there's an H here and an H here, and you need to be careful. This is the height of the triangle. This is the height of the prism. This H is not represented by this H. So I have to make sure that I'm careful when I use formulas that have the same letter. To find capital B, I'm going to take 1/2. The base of my triangle is 6. The height of my triangle is 10. So I have capital B, and you can put the B in there if you want to, or just leave it, is 1/2 times 6, which is 3, times 10, which is 30, and that would be centimeters squared. Now I have the height of my prism is 16, the area of my base is 30, and I can find volume. The volume is 30 in for capital B, and the height of the prism is 16. And 30 times 16 is 480, and this will be centimeters cubed since it is volume.
Welcome to McGraw-Hill Personal Tutors. Find the height of the triangular prism. So here we have a triangular prism, and we need to find the height. We do know the volume is 132 cubic feet, and we also know two dimensions. We have 11 feet and 3 feet, which is going to refer to the base and the height of our base. Now, what we want to remember is the formula. The volume of a triangular prism is equal to the area of the base times the height. Now, this uppercase B refers to the area of the base, and we're given that we have 11 by 3 on the base. So we're going to write this as the volume is equal to 1/2, and we have times 11 times 3 times h, which we don't know. Now remember, we did refer to the fact that we do know the volume. So I'm going to substitute that value into our equation. So let's simplify and substitute. We have 132 is equal to, and 1/2 times 11 times 3 is equal to 16.5, and then we'll have the variable h. So now all we need to do is one operation, that is division, and we're going to divide both sides of our equation by 16.5, and 16.5 divided by 16.5, of course, is 1. Now we need to do 132 divided by 16.5, and when we do that, we get a height of 8. Now the units on that is going to be feet, so we have a height which is equal to 8 feet given this particular triangular prism. Thank you for using McGraw-Hill Personal Tutors.
Welcome to the McGraw-Hill Personal Tutor. The tent shown is shaped like a triangular prism. The volume of the tent is 70 cubic feet. What is the depth of the tent? H. The volume of a triangular prism is the area of the base times the height. The base of the triangular prism is a triangle. The area of a triangle is 1/2 the product of the base times the height of the triangle. So in our volume formula, replace B with 1/2 times 4 times 5 and replace volume with 70 cubic feet. Simplifying, we get 1/2 times 4 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10, h, divide each side by 10, 70 divided by 10 is 7, and 10h divided by 10 is h. So the depth of the tent, h, is 7 feet. Thank you for using the McGraw-Hill Personal Tutor.
So in a triangular prism, the bases are congruent a triangle. As you see here in this figure, we have a triangular prism. Look at the base up and the base down. We have two opposite bases here are parallel and congruent. Parallel and congruent, the same size. The same size. Now we can use the formula to solve the volume V equal big B multiplied by H. Multiplied by H. Don't forget, big B means the area of the triangle, the area of the base, the area of the base. And as you know, the area of the triangle will be 1/2 multiplied by the base of the triangle multiplied by the height of the triangle. Then multiply by the height of the prism, of the triangular prism. So must be different between H for the triangle and H for the triangular prism. H for triangle like this side, and this is the base of triangle. But the height of the prism means the perpendicular distance between the opposite faces, the opposite bases or the opposite parallel bases. This is the difference between them. Okay. In this example, find the volume of triangular prism. Very important to see the figure and to know the information. Look at the base here. In the base here we have triangle. This is the base of triangle. This is the base of triangle. Means P equal 9. And this is the height of triangle. This is the height of triangle. Means height here equal 11. And this side means the height of the triangular prism. The height of the triangular prism. So how to solve the volume? How to solve the volume? V equal big B times H. And as you know, B means the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle. And the rule of the area of the triangle, 1 over 2 multiplied by the base of triangle multiplied by the height of triangle. The base of triangle will be 9, so I can put here 9. And the height of the triangle will be 11, so I can put here 11. Multiply by the height of the prism. The height of prism here will be what? Will be 14. Will be 14. Now 11 times 9, 99. 11 times 9, 99. 99 times 1, 99. Divide by 2, 99. Divide by 2 will be 49.5. Will be 49.5. Multiply by 14. Multiply by 14 will be 693 meter cubed. So the volume here 693 meter cubed. In this example, find the height of the triangular prism. Here we have missing dimensions. The height is missing value. And as you see in this figure here, we have the volume. I know the volume, 866 centimeter cubed. I have here the height of the triangle, 9, and I have here the base of the triangle, 3. And the missing value here, the height of the prism. The height of the prism. How to solve this value? Start from the formula. V equal big B multiplied by H. As you know, B is the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle. The rule to solve the area of triangle will be 1 over 2 multiplied by the base of triangle multiplied by the height. So I can write 1 over 2 multiplied by the base of triangle. The base of triangle will be 3. And the height of the triangle will be 9. And here I know the V. I know the value of the V, 866. But I don't know the value of the height of prism. So this is missing number. This is the variable. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 1, 27. 27 divided by 2 will be 13.5. And here the variable H. And here in the next side we have 866. Now here we have equation. How to solve this equation? Divide the both sides by the coefficient. The coefficient here will be 13.5. So divide the two sides by 13.5. 13.5 H divided by 13.5 will be H. And 866 divided by 13.5 will be 64.146. And the unit here just centimeter, not centimeter cubed, because here we have side, not volume. So the height here will be centimeter, And here we have some videos. When you have free time, you can see this video. And this is our lesson today. Now, who has a question?
مستر
Tell me.
مستر أنا ما فهمت يعني الكابيتال بي والكابيتال اتش.
مستر أنا ما فهمت example number 1.
Example number. Okay.
الكابيتال بي والكابيتال اتش معقدة.
هي مستر ما فهمت أنا.
We have 2H. You can write the two height. You can write as the same symbol, no problem. But here I separate between them to be clear for all. Big B means this symbol. We use this symbol to know the area of the triangle. As you know, we learned how to solve the area of triangle in last lessons. So always when you see big B in capital letter, B means the area of the triangle, the area of the triangle. How to solve the area of the triangle? What is the rule to solve the area of the triangle? As you know, area of triangle equal 1/2 multiply by the base of triangle multiply by the height of triangle. Like this is the triangle. Where is the base? This is the base. And this is the height. Why I choose this base, not this? Because the height here perpendicular with this side. So this side, the base. This side, the base, not this side. So this is the base of triangle and this is the height of triangle. So the first step to solve the volume, find the area of the triangle. The name of area of triangle, the symbol will be big B. This is the meaning of big B. Just write the formula B equal 1/2 multiplied by the base of triangle multiplied by the height of triangle. And separate between H small and H big. Or you can use here H small and here H small, but must know what is the difference between them. So the first H means the height in triangle, the height in triangle. The second H means the height in the triangular prism, the height in the triangular prism. So this is the difference. This is the difference between them. Example number 1. We have this prism, the kind of this prism, triangular prism, because the base will be triangle. Before you start to solve, read the information. Know what is the information inside the question. As you see here, we have the base triangle. This 9, the base of triangle, and this 11, the height of triangle. Listen here perpendicular between the two sides. So the big one here, the height, and the small one will be the base. The area of this triangle, the name of this area, the symbol of this area, B, capital letter. So B capital letter means the area of the triangle, the area of the triangle. Now how to solve the volume? Remember the rule, use the formula. The volume V equal big B multiplied by the height. What's the meaning of big B? Big B means the area of the triangle, the area of the triangle. How to solve the area of the triangle? We have rule to solve the area of the triangle. As you know, the area of triangle equal 1/2 multiplied by the base of triangle multiplied by the height of triangle. This is the base of triangle 9 and this is the height of triangle 11. And what is the height of a prism? What is the height of triangular prism? This is the height. This is the height. Will be what? Will be 14. So we have a different value between 14 and 11. 11 is the height inside the triangle. 14 is the height inside the triangular prism. So we have difference between this H and this H. So now you can solve 11 multiplied by 9 will be 99. 99 times 1 will be 99. 99 divided by 2 will be 49.5. Now 49.5 multiplied by 14 will be 693. 693. And the unit here, meter cubed. Meter cubed. It's clear now?
Yes, Mr. Now it's clear. Mr.
Yes. Who has a question now? Who has a question?
Mr. Nobody.
It's clear.
No,
Right.
Mr. Thank you.
What is the title of our lesson? What is the name of our lesson today?
Volume of triangle prism.
Volume of triangle prism.
How to solve the volume? What is the
V times big H.
B big B
equals
H 1/2 then times the base and height.
Great. V equal big B multiplied by the height. What's the meaning of big B?
area. The area of the
The
base.
area of the whole base.
The area
area
of the base.
triangle. The area of triangle or the base of the triangular prism. Okay. طيب, what is the rule or formula to solve the area of the triangle?
1 over 2.
2 times h times b.
1 over
Times b times
times h.
the base of the triangle multiplied by the height of the triangle, and must to compare between the height in triangle and the height in the triangular prism. Okay, this is our lesson today. Now let us to take attendance now.
6a. مستر أول شيء 6a.
إن شاء الله.
مستر 6b 6b.
مستر لا 6a. 6a.
6B I'm 6A.
6a.
I'm 6a. يب
6B مستر أمس كان 6A.
أحمد سالم. أحمد حمد الظاهري. حمد الظاهري. حمد الجابري.
مستر موجود حمد الجابري الحين عادي يطلع.
حمدان العامري.
موجود.
شيخ.
مستر عادي يطلع.
يس. حمدان الهجري.
موجود.
اوكي. زايد النعيمي.
موجود أستاذ موجود.
سالم هداف.
موجود أستاذ موجود.
اوكي.
مستر عادي يطلع.
يس يو كان. عبد الرحمن.
موجود. السلام. يا كرم.
والله تسميمي.
موجود مستر.
عبد الله الأحبابي.
موجود مستر.
علي الرميثي. علي حمد الرميثي. طيب عيسى.
موجود مستر موجود. مستر موجود. أنا علي حمد
موجود. أوكي.
موجود أستاذ موجود.
منصور أحمد.
موجود.
منصور راشد.
موجود.
منصور نايف.
الحين عاد يطلع.
يس يو كان.
موجود مستر موجود. منصور نايف.
بلال.
مستر مع السلامة. أستاذ أنا خليفة عبيد بنت علي الكمبيوتر.
أوكي مو مشكلة. هزاع.
نعم مستر.
أوكي هزاع. خلفان.
موجود.
خليفة.
موجود.
دويس.
أقدر أطلع.
دويس يس يو كان. دويس.
موجود أستاذ موجود.
دياب. سالم جمعة.
موجود أستاذ.
مستر ثياب موجود لكن ما يبى يرد.
سلطان.
موجود أستاذ موجود.
سيف سالم.
ما حد أستاذ.
سيف سالم أبسنت.
لا
عبد الله الجابري.
موجود أستاذ.
اوكي. فارس.
غايب.
فارس.
موجود.
محمد سالم.
موجود محمد سالم.
محمد عبد العزيز.
موجود أستاذ. محمد عمار موجود.
محمد عمر العامري.
مستر الحين أقدر أخرج؟
Yes you can. محمد عمر العامري. منصور علي. منصور علي. منصور محمد المهيري. منصور محمد.
لا أستاذ أنا موجود.
موسى.
نعم أستاذ.
ناصر عبيد.
موجود أستاذ. أستاذ نطلع؟
Yes you can leave. So this is our lesson today. We did revise for the volume of triangular prism. We learned the figure of the prism and what the meaning of big B is the area of the base of triangular prism, means the area of triangle, and the rule to solve the area of triangle 1/2 multiplied by the base of triangle multiplied by the height of triangle. And we know the formula to solve the volume of the triangular prism, V equal big base big B multiplied by the height, And here we must compare between the height of the triangle and the height of the triangular prism. And we see and we learned how to solve the volume if we have the big B and the height of the triangular prism, and if I have the volume, how to solve the missing dimension, like the missing height. So this is our lesson today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you inshallah next week. Have a nice weekend and Ramadan Mubarak for all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.